Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 3 HCF and ELCM. In previous video, we have seen practice set 12 and question number 1. Now, let us see question number 2. Find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. Let us see number 1. 275 divided by 525. Now, according to the rule of division method, we have to divide smaller number to bigger number. So bigger number divided by the smaller. Therefore, 525 divided by 275. Now see, 275 ones are 275. 275 twos are 550. So 550 bigger than 525. So we can't take this. So 275 ones are 275. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Now 7 cannot be subtracted from 2. So take borrow from 5. That is, here we got 4 and here we got 12. So 12 minus 7, that is 5, and 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now we got 250. Now according to the rule of division method, we have to divide this remainder to this previous divisor. So divide the previous divisor by the remainder. Now see, 250 ones are 250 and 250 twos are. See, we will get 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Now we got 500. See, 500 is bigger than 275, so we can't take. So 250 ones are 250. So 250 can be subtracted from 275. 5 minus 0, that is 5. Now 7 minus 5, that is 2, and 2 minus 2, that is 0. Now we got 25. Now according to the rule of division method, divide the previous divisor by this remainder. So previous divisor, that is 250, and we got remainder 25. So divide the previous divisor by the remainder. Now 250 ones are 200. See here, 250 divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 zeros are 0. So it is completely divisible. 250 is completely divisible by 25. Now we got remainder 0. Remainder 0, it means that we have to consider previous divisor, that is this divisor, which is the HCF according to the rule of division method. Therefore, HCF is equal to 25. Remainder becomes 0. Therefore, we have to consider previous divisor, that is 25, and 25 is the HCF of 1275 upon 525. Now let us see next example number 2. See, 700. In second example, 76 upon 133. In both the numbers, 133 is bigger than 76. So 133 divided by 76. Now see, 76 ones are 76. 76 into 2, or 76 twos are 152, which is bigger than 133. So we can't take this. So 76 ones are 76. Now 6 cannot be subtracted from 3. So go to next number. Again 7 cannot be subtracted from 3. Then go to next number 1. 1 can give borrow to previous number. So here we got 13. Again this number won't borrow from this. So here 12 and here 13. So 13 minus 6, that is we got 7. 12 minus 7, that is 5 and 0. Now here we got 57. According to the rule of division method, divide the previous divisor, that is 76. Divide the previous divisor by the remainder 57. Remainder we got here 57. Now see 57. 57 ones are 57. 57 twos are, see 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry, 2 fives are 10 plus 1, 11. Now 57 twos are 114, which is bigger than 76. So we can't take. So 57 ones are 57. 7 cannot be subtracted from 6. So go to next number and take borrow. So here we got 6 and here we got 16. 16 minus 7, that is we got 9. And 6 minus 1, that is 1. Here we got remainder 19. Again the rule of division method. Divide the previous divisor, that is 57, by the remainder. Here we got remainder 19. So 19 divided to 57, or 57 divided by remainder 19. Now check. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 32, and 19 threes are 57. See 19 threes are, 3 nines are 27. 2 carry, 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. So 19 threes are 57. So here remainder becomes 0. Remainder becomes 0. It means that we have to consider previous divisor, that is this divisor, and this divisor is the HCF. Therefore HCF is equal to 19. So 19 is the HCF of 76 upon 133. So you have to solve remaining examples from practice set 12. Now let us see next point in next video, and don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Bye. Take care.